some of the best ways to retain pharmacology information for the exam?
So pharmacology, we know, is one of those topics that I know you guys all really enjoyed your pharmacology class, right? I'm sure you enjoyed parts of it. It is a difficult topic, not only to learn, but to teach. So I do understand, and I have taught that for many, many years at a lot of different levels. I think that you need to have there's a lot of memorization, but if you need to have a plan and put things into categories, right? So remembering classes of medications will help you significantly. Otherwise, you're kind of stuck trying to remember metropolol, right? If you understand the alols, right, those are going to be your beta blockers. I think that's really helpful in moving you forward. So classes of medications, maybe a few of the names, but again, they're going to have similar endings. We'll just go with more hypertension like pines, P-I-N-E-S, or penes, right? Those are going to be your calcium channel blockers. So if you can put those classes together and then remember what those classes of medications do, I think that's really going to help you a lot. The other thing to do is I'm a huge fan of mnemonics, and I try to use as many of them as I can in teaching and then also in memorization. I'm always going through all mnemonics in my brain as I'm trying to recall something. So I feel like mnemonics are extremely helpful. So if that is something that you find is helpful for you, then use as many as you can, look them up, seek them out. A couple other things to do is like active recall rather types of tools like flashcards. If you're having trouble with the neuro medications, put a bunch of flashcards out on your counter, on your sink, on your dresser, and don't flip it over until you know the answer. So put a class of medications. When you understand the mechanism of action or the side effect, flip it over and then put it away. But leave the ones that you don't get out. Those kind of that active recall is going to really help you on the exam. You'll kind of come up with it a lot quicker and it'll make you feel a lot better. I think also in those classes of medications, remembering things like the side effects, the contraindications, and truthfully, like the monitoring. When do you need to have the patient back and why? If they're on a certain medication like warfarin, when do you have to do the INR? So I think those things in pharmacology help to make it more applicable. And anything that you can do is active. Case-based learning. If you actually picture a patient who is a COPD patient, picture them using their inhaler, picture them before they use that inhaler, and then after. What do they look like? How are they behaving? Is it an asthma patient who's using a rescue medication? How does somebody use when they use, some medication for their chest pain? Anything that's going to make a change. Ibuprofen for a headache, picture how they look before and after, and then I think you'll kind of understand pharmacology better. Just trying to memorize it, it's probably not going to work too good, but active things and classes of medications, I think it's really helpful. Pharmacology is tough.